What if the sun suddenly disappeared?
In seconds, the entire solar system would fall into chaos.
Because the sun controls everything.
The sun holds 99.8% of all mass in the solar system. Its massive gravity keeps every planet in orbit. Without it, planets would fly off into deep space. But gravity is just the beginning. The sun is also the source of all energy on Earth. It powers weather, oceans, and life itself. Even plants depend on sunlight to survive. The sun also controls the temperature of every planet. Close planets burn, distant ones freeze. The sun's light takes over 8 minutes to reach Earth. That's how far away we are. But the sun doesn't just shine, it explodes. Powerful solar flares can affect Earth. Disrupting satellites and communication systems. Yet, it gives us life. Every sunrise is powered by the sun. The sun isn't just a star. It's the ruler of our solar system. And if you enjoyed this journey through space, don't forget to subscribe and explore the universe with us.